Lessons learned from the past, lessons won through experience, the value of history and of memory should teach us how to avoid making the same mistakes again and again. We have witnessed the commemoration of many recurrent situations, dramatic events, and national emergencies. We have witnessed scenes of despair with our own eyes. We have experienced the sense of helplessness and the weight of responsibility, things on which we do not always focus. The pandemic has conditioned our lives for so long, teaching us the meaning of fear and, perhaps, the value of responsible conduct. Because it is so fast-acting, fear is the most effective lever for altering human behavior. Consider how well social distancing has worked, how the requirement for quarantine generated virtuous conduct from our desire to contain the pandemic, how effective the use of a mask and frequent hand-washing have been. We have learned that fear often acts for just a moment, instinctively and reactively, a conditioned reflex that lasts the length of an adrenaline rush before magically giving way to indifference. The kind of indifference that, as someone once said, has enabled common understanding to prevail over sound judgment. For many years now, the ISSA PULIRE Forum has been an open, representative home for the services industry to talk shop and ask questions, a location for the collective exercise of admissions and confessions about ourselves, our work, and what we do. This year's event focuses on 3 sensitive, topical issues via a meticulous, in-depth analysis of a multitude of stories that help us unhesitatingly recognize the origin and reasons behind many recurring situations. We'll be talking about occupational health and safety, and about how to repurpose places, gestures, and skills. We will be looking at how to tangibly and definitively address the accountability issue. We will learn to understand the different ways in which integrated service management impacts the modernity of production systems across the country and throughout our communities. Sharing the lexicon of the new normal can help us outline the boundaries of our activities, organize work according to new needs, and define roles, skills, and authority in an increasingly widespread state of uncertainty. We will address the theme of memory. We will wade into stories that keep recurring, important first-person narratives that recall dramatic events and cyclical occurrences in Italy, implying responsibility. These stories have, in the social imagination, generated partial explanations, unfaithful representations, and unresolved situations. We will be addressing memory as a place for encounter and knowledge, as a way of passing on experience, as a dynamic, generative, forward-looking dimension, and as a tool for building a civil conscience. Forum ISSA PULIRE looks forward to seeing you at Milan's Giampiero Cantoni Auditorium, Fiera, Milano, on the 18th-19th of October, 2022.